Well, hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I am going to be doing my very first spring manicure of 2019. Yesterday was the first day of spring, so it is time. On my paws, yes, I call them paws, I have this beautiful, I wish this would translate on film, but it's not going to, and I know it's too dark of a color. It's this really beautiful blue by Sinful. It's got the gold cap with long-lasting technology, and I can't remember if the ones with these caps are like gel tech or something. It's too dark of a label, or bottle, I can't see the writing. But this is 2652 in Galaxy. Beautiful color. It's what I've got on my nails, and I hope that you can see it. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm going to be using this Maniology plate right here. It says, where is it? Hello Spring, right there. I'm going to be putting that on my nail. As long as this butterfly here. Hoping they both fit on this nail. My nails are still on the stubby side, I'm calling them. I'm trying out a new base coat today. I'm not going to say what yet, because I want to see how it does without announcing that I'm using it, because it is a semi-well-known brand, I think. It's very well-known on Instagram. As far as, like, it's an indie, so I don't know how well-known she is, but, yeah, it's a new base coat. So I'm going to try it out for a couple days, see how I like it, and probably report back next week and put my 2 cents in. I am using Maniology plate MO48 for this one. The butterfly is Born Pretty Artist L003. I'm using Stampin' in White with Kiss Gel Strong White French White. Got this at the Dollar Tree. Should have picked up a couple of them because they are great for stamping. Any of the Kiss Gel Strong polishes, I don't care what colors, they are great for stamping. So I have got my... Oh, I can't see. This is so tiny. So tiny. I got 2 here and I can't tell which is which. So... the bottom I need to take off. Shoot. I get my roller here. Anytime you have extra on your stamper, I have 2 images, so you just gotta line this up on my nail. Hello Spring. I don't think it's quite centered right, but my nails aren't long yet. Let me clean that off better than that. I do want to put another image on my index finger. Well, oh yes, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the other bird here. I'm going to do the butterfly and the bird. Butterfly is going on my ring finger as well. It's probably going to look crowded. I'm hoping not, but let me clear the excess off my stamper with my lint roller. Line this up on my nail. I did want it at an angle, but let me see. Oh, I hope this looks alright. Here we go. What do you think? I didn't get quite all of the butterfly on. There's a little smudge left on there. My nails were longer. Shouldn't have cut them down January 1st, but you know, I do it every year. And I pay for it now. Well, it didn't want to come off. I love the Born Pretty and the Maniology plates. Maniology used to be Bundle Monster, in case you don't know. They are having, I don't know how long it's going on for 20 bucks. You get 20 items. And it's the Bundle Monster stamping plates, the stamping polishes, and not the little stamping polishes either. Probably shouldn't be telling anybody, but whatever. Princess D, she got some, or ordered some, and that looks horrible. I did not pick up the image well. This polish does dry quickly though. Just so you know. But Princess D, Princess Nails by Diana, she ordered one of their packages, and she was very, very pleased with it. So, when the funds become available, why isn't this picking up right? Oh, this is frustrating. Whoops. This is not picking the bird up. I'm only getting a partial image. That does not make me happy. I do need to get out my No Smudge top coat from Born Pretty as well. And this is gonna seem like I'm a trader. I got my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat off of Wish for like $1 or $2, something like that, including shipping. Maybe $3 total. Great product. On Maniology, I'm an ambassador, like a lot of other women. I'm currently working towards their No Smudge top coat. So help a girl out. If you shop on Maniology.com, or if you want to go check them out, I do have a 10% off code in capitals, JNI, for Just Nailed It 10, JNI 10. That gets you 10% off, and if you order the Mani Box subscription, I believe it gets you $5 off. So we're going to try this bird one more time before I pick a different image. I'm kind of disappointed that it's not working right. I don't know if it's drying too quickly. I'm not going fast enough. I don't know. Oh, I think I got it. Ugh. There we go. Can you see my birdie in flight? These are not solid images. Let me pick this plate up and hold it closer so you can see it. They look like airbrushed images. I love it. I think this is an awesome, awesome plate. Do not remember how much I paid for it though. I really don't. So there are my two images. I am going to top coat with my No Smudge top coat. I start using my Maniology scraper and stamper, because I do have a Born Pretty scraper out. My stamper is generic. I think it was given to me by a friend, Brenda. Appreciate that very much. I love my stampers. And my middle finger, I'm going to surprise you today. I've never done this before, I don't believe. I'm going to put a little bling on. Can you see my hello spring and my butterfly? My bird in flight. I think that's really beautiful. So, my bling. Oh, here it is. This is a Nicole diary from Amazon. I do not have the link. Here is the back of it with, I don't know if this is the code right here, MNHC in capitals -94. So that should help you out. I'm going to place this one right here, on my middle finger. I lose my thumb ring at the same time. I like silver better than the gold. That's just how I am, as you can tell by my ring. So, well, that's not going to come out like that. So here we go. Take it out the old-fashioned way. I'm going to use some Broadway top coat from General Dollar, Dollar General, whatever it's called. One of these days I'll pay attention. I'm going to put me a nice, thick coat of it. Whew. This is a stubby nail. Wish I would have painted it a little bit higher up. Let me take a look here. What do you think? Is it centered correctly? I think so. I'm going to let that sit on there for a minute. Try not to move my finger around too much, so it will set itself in. Guess I could put some around it, huh? So I was told by Princess D, don't put it on the stone. It'll take away the sparkle. Kind of flooded my cuticle here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's alright. Put my stuff away as I go. Again, these little gems here are by Nicole Diary from Amazon. I wasn't going to move my hand, was I? Because I think it's moved a little bit. Yep, it's set in stone now. Not totally, but... So I'm going to top coat the rest of my nails. If I can get it. Sorry, I'm going to use my Pro FX Quick Drying Top Coat, which I could no longer find. No Walmart. I don't care what state you look in, because Princess D was looking for it for me, and can't find it. Moon Baby Nails is the one that alerted us. So I went on a mission Sunday looking, couldn't find it nowhere. This top coat really brings out the color in this Mani, I believe. Yeah, I'm going to flood my cuticles again. There we go. Hope I'm in frame. Didn't cap none of my nails. Better late than never, right? Make sure you cap the end of your nails, ladies. Gotta protect them. Protect that Mani. Whoops. The end of my thumb finger. Whoops. I have a lot of whoopses lately. The end of my... Let me do this. Right here. Right there across my nail. I always have a dent. Like a ditch. A divot. I don't know what to call it. A dip in my nail. It's always there. No matter how long they get, that same area of the nail. It won't, you know, if the nail grows, the dip is not here. It'll always be in that area. If anybody knows about anything like that, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Because I have no idea. So what do we think? How does the bling look? Let me bring it closer. Can you see it? I like it. I'm usually not one for bling, but this one I really like. I think that is a very pretty, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's pretty. It's really pretty. I think it really makes the Mani speak. A little bling never hurts no one, right, ladies? Well, that's it for my video this morning. I hope you enjoy it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my first spring Mani of 2019. Hope for no more snow this season. Hope that's over for good now. Let me see. If you're new here, please subscribe and click the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you're new. I appreciate that. I like to know that you've come through, you know, come through, take a look around. Hope you come back to see more. If you are an old subscriber, supporter, I appreciate you being here as always. I want to thank everybody, and I want you to have a blessed day. Thank you.